When we moved from New Jersey at the height of COVID in 2020, I had to quickly put together a functioning office, trading station, and broadcasting equipment over the weekend. The resulting problems were too much equipment, too much wiring, distractions, things that I had to take care of. I knew that in the future I would have to lay this out again. So the first thing I did was to take some dimensions, an inventory of existing equipment, and laid all of this out on 1 by 8 inch pine boards that I intended to attach to the studs. I also wanted to add 3 monitors and another CPU to track options order flow, in addition to signals that I used during the trading day. I then wanted to attach the Vesa mounts to the pine boards, and then I would attach all of that to the structure. Using a stud finder, I noted that these were spaced at 18 inches on center, so I could take lag bolts and drill right through the pine boards into the studs and mount accordingly. I would then make sure everything was horizontal and level so that all of the monitors were aligned properly. I double checked all of my measurements using existing, create some openings for wiring so that I could run it through the wall and drop all of my wires down through the wall and out, exiting at a lower level. Then installed all of the outlet boxes and ran all of the required wiring through the pine boards, down through the wall, and attaching to the remaining monitors, checking alignment and adjusting each as necessary, and then repeating the process up above, accounting for level and horizontal again, resulting in a nice installation. Once all of the monitors were installed, the wiring checked, and all the equipment was attached. I was pleased with the results. I just need to paint the pine boards now, with the resulting installation still needing a little bit of tweaking to get rid of some minor distractions. I then realized I needed to take that process and mount the TV on the wall as well, which is now complete. So the installation is nice and clean, fewer distractions, and most of the wiring is concealed in the wall, and all of the clutter that was there before has now been accounted for. The reference video is noted in the comments below, so make sure you check that out, as I'd like to give the gentleman credit for his ideas that I utilized in this installation.